good morning. Welcome to our day 3 in Switzerland, and today we are going to Jungfrau, the top of Europe, in cable car. So it's a gondola ride of 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I'm so excited. Then there's a combi train up to the top. Yay! God, look at this. Came on a gondola ride up the mountain, and now we are going on a cogwheel train. Look at the scenery. It's crazy. The ride was so beautiful. This is the cogwheel train to the top of the mountain. And the journey begins. This is Ice Maze station, and there's a viewpoint, and the train is going to stop for us to go see this viewpoint and come back. This is the story behind this station. This is all built inside a mountain. It was all built in 1900, which is so crazy. Go to Jungfrau now. We found a kid in the Jungfrau Mountains. Mama. We finally made it to the Jungfrau, the top of Europe. Showing Suman Switzerland.
We have to go out now.
Digitally.
It's snowing.
We are at the top. All the Swiss travelers, Swiss watches. There's snowfall. There's snowfall. There's so much snow around. Oh, it's so cool. This is the top of Europe. It's freezing. Look at this, you can see the, oh my god. Oh, it's crazy. रहना तो रह सकते हो, रहना तो रह सकते हो,
क्या करे।
Okay, I'll find sensation. So pretty. The floor here vibrates according to the music. Maybe is he good luck? You? I know, see, 1912, 1896 they started. तुम्ही जोलमोनच्या गाणी पहिले हे झालंय. टायला बरी. The construction. Coldest palace in Europe. We are now getting into the ice palace. Oh my god, it's all ice. Even the flooring is ice. It's so slippery. There's igloo as well. There's a picture of Neeraj Chopra here. The first Indian thrower, javelin thrower, became the first and only track field athlete from India to win an Olympic gold medal. Swiss Mountain single malt whiskey. Oh. We all feel like we are in a freezer. It's so cold.
Once in a lifetime.
We are going to the Glacier Plateau. glacier plateau, and it is freezing, and if there's so much wind, it's also snowing, but we cannot see much. It's all a white blank screen. Those are the camera in the mountains. You can check the weather here on top of the mountain through those cameras, through Swiss Alps. Mama, snow padelo eh. Kashale. Yada snow padelo eh. Happy? We miss you so much. I wish you were here.
There's always a next time.
Yeah. That's my parents and sister. It's really cold and it's very slippery as well. That's the flag. We were on the top of Glacier Plateau trying to take the snow angel picture, okay? This one. And we froze to death. God, we couldn't. We just came running downstairs and washed our hands.
Now it's -6 degrees and with severe warning of rain.
It was very bad. We just came running down and we washed our hands in hot water. And now,
But the picture's amazing. Worth it.
worth it. Totally worth it.
I would do it again.
Yes. The only lint shop that is at the most top of this world. Today's temperature -5, -7, wind. Fine, we're exiting the station now. We are leaving from the Jungfrau mountain and this is our train. This is the Cogwell train. They gave us chocolates after our visit. Jungfrau, top of Europe. We're finally going down the gondola ride to our train station, but look at this view, it's so pretty. This was so beautiful, the top of Europe. You guys have to visit. We got out of our train station, then took a bus, and now we came to Lidl to get more food for tonight and tomorrow. There's paragliding right outside our house. I've been requesting Susan and even I want to do it and we can do it together, but then she's scared for her life. We're getting down there, look. We are going to Lake Thun for a boat cruise. We're already very late, so we are rushing right now. Also, we have taken the Swiss travel pass. Switzerland has a lot of passes. If you have that pass, you can travel throughout the country, anywhere. You can take bus, train, boat, any of the rides. And the Swiss travel pass is really convenient. In the morning we went to Jungfrau and we had a 50% discount because we had Swiss travel pass, and it was very cheap because what we saw up there was magical and beautiful and no amount of money can justify that. These mountains. This is Switzerland, guys. Oh, there's a horse. Wow! These are all horse rides in Switzerland. Switzerland is like a real life movie. Mabel. Good. We missed our train to Lake Thun because we were 1 second late. Even if you are a second late, they won't stop for you. So that's why now we are going to the next train station. And we arrived at Lake Brienz and look at this. काल झालाय
ट्रेन झाला उत्कांतशें हांगा उत्कांतशें जालें थंय सेल्फी काडूंक गेली पडली थंय हें गेलें.
Mom is scared of this river. She's going to yell at me in 3, 2. started. Pictures here. We are nowhere close to the water. Look at our mom. Just staring at us. Dandelion! The boat cruise was the first thing that we missed on this entire trip. But I think whatever happens, happens for good. But because look at this. We ended up at this beautiful place and we got such huge dandelions which is already, they're already flying away. Oh, mom's getting more. Yay, Mafung. There's such huge dandelions and this was my first one. Today was one of the best days of my life and I'm not sure if I'm going to relive these moments again very soon. So I'm going to soak that all in and spend some quality time with my family. But see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.